Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anuja Lele, founder of Sahaj Healthcare. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is high blood pressure or hypertension. Now this is one condition the number of patients suffering from hypertension is steadily increasing these days. Not only that, almost every household has one or two patients of hypertension. So first, let's see what is blood pressure. Blood pressure is the pressure created by the circulating blood against the walls of blood vessels. When we examine our blood pressure levels, we get two set of values. The upper one is called as the systolic pressure, which is when the heart pumps out blood. The second one is the diastolic pressure, which is when the heart rests between two beats. The ideal value of blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. So values of 140 by 90 or higher would be hypertension or high blood pressure. Now let's see the risk factors causing hypertension. The first and foremost is family history. Hypertension tends to run in families. Being overweight or obese, not leading an active lifestyle, indulging in too much of alcohol, smoking or chewing tobacco, dietary deficiencies like low potassium intake or having too much salt intake, stress. There are certain chronic conditions like sleep apnea, kidney disease, hypothyroidism, which could give rise to hypertension. Let's see the symptoms of hypertension. A person suffering from hypertension may have no symptoms at all. That is why it's called as a silent killer. In very extreme cases, there could be symptoms like anxiety, sleeping problems or excessive sweating. So now we know it is very important to regularly check your blood pressure. There are certain complications caused by hypertension like heart stroke, heart failure or dementia. Now let's move on to the treatment. Lifestyle changes is the first line of treatment for hypertension, which would include losing weight if you are overweight or obese, indulging in being physically active, that is exercising at least 5 days a week, stress reduction with the help of yoga and meditation, changes in your diet. The one that is recommended is called as the DASH diet, that is dietary approach to stop hypertension, which gives more emphasis on adding vegetables and fruits in your diet. Adding vegetables like green leafy vegetables, berries, dark chocolate, banana, seeds like pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds would reduce one's blood pressure. Last, one more important thing is having ground flax seeds. But make sure you don't grind too much quantity of flax seeds at once as it goes rancid. Taking good amount of sleep, cutting down on alcohol, smoking and tobacco chewing if one is into that habit. Then lastly would be medications. A person can take specific medications to treat his or her hypertension. The choice of medication would depend on that individual and his or her medical condition. There are other system of medicines like homeopathy. Homeopathy gives emphasis on overall complete cure of that person rather than just treating his or her hypertension. At Sahaj Healthcare, we give emphasis to holistic approach by prescribing medicines having no side effect in a gentle, safe and natural way. That's all for today. Thank you. Sahaj Healthcare by Dr. Anuja Lele, India's leading homeopathy and healthcare clinic. For online consultation and appointment, contact us on these numbers. These numbers are also there in the description box. For more details, please visit our website sahajhealthcare.com. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe. Press the bell icon and never miss any update.